Alright, now let's make our bullet to actually disappear, because right now when we hit play we can shoot forever and our bullets are just created in the hierarchy, and after some time it will make our performance um, very bad. So leaving all those game objects in the game is not the best idea, and also we can do much better. Basically, we should destroy our bullets when they hit our enemies, and also if we miss and if we don't hit enemies, we can have some timer, for example 3 seconds, and after 3 seconds they will be destroyed anyway. So for that, what we will do, first of all, we should add collider to our bullets. So let's drag our bullets in this scene. Where is our bullets? Let's click F. Let's take it up just a little bit. I will open it. I will select stars and let's hit F. So we have stars, and I think I will do collider, which has the um, approximately same size as the star. So let's select our bullets. Let's click add component, and well, what collider to use? Let's see. Let's go in physics. We have capsule collider, which we can use, or sphere collider. So let's use sphere collider. Oh, it's pretty large. I will click edit collider, like here, and they have these dots, and we can shrink our collider. Nope. Let's click edit collider again. Oh, uh, just like this. I think this will be better size. Of course, collider is in the wrong place now, so we can move it with these centers. Is it good on the y-axis? Not really. Let's take it up. Okay. Now let's move it in the X and in the Z. Here we go. We have nice looking sphere collider, and I think it will be enough. Now, next step will be to create another C# script, which we will attach on these bullets. So in the scripts folder, let's create another C# script. I already have script, empty script for us to use. I called it bullet. You can call it same as me. Just make sure to assign this into the bullet. So let's drag and drop it in the bullets. So now that we have sphere collider and bullet script attached to it, let's save changes to the prefab. So let's select bullet. Let's click override. Let's click apply all. That's pretty much it. We don't need this bullet anymore in the hierarchy, so I will just remove it. And now let's open our bullet script. And here, well, we will create one variable, public float lifetime. And let's make lifetime to be 3f. It means that we will have 3 seconds of life if we miss anything. And in the void start, we will say destroy our game object, which is bullet, comma, lifetime. It means that we will be destroyed our bullet after 3 seconds when they will appear in the scene. And also we will create one function with the name of onCollisionEnter, its method. So we can type onCollisionEnter and hit enter, and it should auto compile in general. But if in your case it's not auto compiling, don't worry about it. You just need to type it by hand and type everything in brackets as well. So basically this function will be called when our bullet will touch some collider. As you know, our enemies have the colliders, capsule colliders by default. And when our bullet will touch those colliders, something will happen. Also, we can use tag system to be more specific, and we will do it. For example, we already worked with the layers. Tag system is similar. We need to create tag for the enemy. So let's select enemy 2. Let's click add tag. Let's click plus, and let's name it enemy with a capital E. Let's save. Now I will select both of my enemies and I will assign my enemy tag here. Now we can say here simply if collision dot game object dot tag double equals, and in quotation marks we should say name of our tag, spell it correctly just like we have here. Mine is named enemy with a capital E. So when our bullet will touch something with the tag of enemy, what should happen? Well, our bullet should be destroyed, so we can say destroy our game object. For now, that's pretty much all that we need. So let's save this script and let it reload. Let's go back, and I think we can press play now. Let's test. Now let's shoot our yeah, when we basically hit our enemies, our bullet is destroyed, as you see. And of course we don't have any impact effect just yet. With impact effect everything will look much better, but main point is that our bullets are working correctly. Also, I think my projectile speed, by the way, I decreased projectile speed to 15, maybe even 10. Let's try. Yeah, 10 is a little bit too slow. 12? Yeah, 12, I think 12 looks fine. I will stop playing and I will change projectile speed to 12. Of course, it's up to you. It's just preference. And yeah, here we go. You can save this scene.